Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're all well. I've done the good thing and put the sun on that side so that you can see my beautiful face. Right, the Aquatone Glacier. If you remember from the last upload, I told you that there was an issue with one of these sump plugs letting water in. So what I've done is I took some storm shore and I've literally run it around the inside of the caps and stuck those down. Then on the underside of the boat, what I've done with each of these, so this was the actual dodgy one. So what I've done is I've run storm shore around all of those, and then I've put some tough tape, tear aid, over the top, just to seal those in. So we're gonna have a go with this today and see how it fares. Now, unfortunately, what I should tell you now is I had an issue when I got in touch with the people that I bought this from, and what they told me was those drain plugs always leak in boats, and I turned around and said that is hogwash. I've had loads of boats with drain plugs, I've reviewed loads of boats on my YouTube channel and never experienced that before unless I've left it unscrewed. They turned round and said, yes, we know who you are, we've seen your YouTube channel, and they basically then tried to cajole me into not giving them a bad review. And they told me that I should contact the manufacturer. In other words, they're not going to do anything about it. I think that's pretty disgraceful, really. Really disgraceful. And what's more disappointing is I actually gave them a glowing review on this channel as a video about 2-3 years ago, where because I'd had an issue with a product that I'd bought, and they sorted it out without any issue, and now they won't. So they've gone downhill in my estimation, and that's a bit disappointing. Anyway, we're down at Drake Holes. I've got a load of stuff that you can see in the background there, and I'm doing a speed test video with this and 4 other boats, because I'm using the Gumatex rush as well. Frank's bought his rush for me to do a speed test with. I just kind of want to do a speed comparison with these boats. So we will have a little look at the glacier and make sure it's all okay, and that'll be the update for this video. I'm getting beckoned, on coming. He's getting out of the way. Right, so I just kind of want to do a steady away speed first. I just wanted to get it moving. Just need to move the camera a little bit. Oh, we're going to piss this fisherman off. Piss off the fisherman another couple of times.
We're all enjoying the water.
Absolutely, on a lovely day.
Yeah.
Right, so 4.2 just kind of cruising along.